Hello, my name is Sue Smith and I'm a brand ambassador for docrafts, and today I'd like to show you how to do some calligraphy to adorn some wedding stationery. Here I've got an invitation front cover with some hand lettering on the front, and this is something you might like to practice and try out yourself, and I'll show you briefly how to do this. Tracing paper is quite useful, and I have a pencil and the area that I'm going to create the lettering in. So place the tracing paper over the top and we can roughly create the baseline for our text, and then just go ahead and just freely roughly draw the letters. You don't have to be too precise with it, because you can always grab a second piece of tracing paper, lay this over the top, and we can still see the circle, and then we can just go in and just manipulate the letters again. You might want that higher to fill out more of the space, the S, and then we can move James to fit better with the and. That's it. And then that's it, fit Grace in as well. We don't want to leave her out. And when you have it roughly in the right place, ready to go in with the pen. Now then, we've got some Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pens. This pack is wonderful because you've got 6 pens that are jet black ink, and they're all different thicknesses, and including in this pack is a brush pen, which is fantastic for doing this lettering. So I'm going to go in with some vellum now. That's it. And the beauty about these pens is that we can apply different pressure. So with light pressure we have a nice fine line, and if we apply more pressure we can get a thicker line, which is what we want for the lettering. So I'm going to go ahead now and draw over the pencil lines, and then apply more pressure to all the downward strokes. So more pressure there, up, light pressure, down again with thicker. That's it. Take your time, steady hand, and you can create some lovely lettering as well. It's quite therapeutic doing this too. There. And then also I've got an extra fine pen here, and we can then draw in some of the lovely wreath around the outside, create some nice leaves. It's nice to do this in the lovely fine pen. And then we can do some of the other branch as well. Like that. Add some little dots because they create sort of a bit of movement in the artwork. And then to add that extra little sparkle, you can add some of these lovely gems, and to make it look nice. And then you can have a go at making a save the date tag with their names at the bottom, and here's a place setting name as well. And another idea, we can also have a go at creating a table sign. It's a similar method, but we've done it in a nice silver metallic pen. Okay, so again, I've got drawn out here the area that I want to put the writing on. Grab another piece of tracing paper. Again, just roughly draw out the baseline of the text, and then we can go in and just draw. Don't have to be too precise to start with, because then we can always get extra tracing paper. That's it. And I'm going to curl that round a bit more like that. That's it, until you get the nice letter formation. I'm going to bring that over there that you want. Okay. So when you've worked that out and you've got, it's almost like a template really. And then with the metallic Paper Mania pen, because it's just a single nib thickness, we can just basically draw round the lines, follow the lines as they are, and then to create the thick and the thin look, you can just go over with another line. That's it, on all those downstrokes again. It's like cheats calligraphy, really. You can make it look like you've done it with a brush pen. The silver looks quite nice with the on the table there. And again, we can tie this in by drawing in that same sort of branch with some gems. Okay, thank you very much for watching.